Since I enjoy making photos and also videos about photography, I decided to make my own videos about photo opportunities in places that I visit. Today I would like to share the spots you can visit for nice photos in Gudauri while you hike to Panorama Gudauri monument. In about 3 km from the monument itself, you already can take a nice photo if you have a good telephoto lens. Right next to the car road you can find mountain streams that are surrounded by flowers. Here are a couple of ideas about what you can do on that spot. I've tried to use the stream itself as a leading line that would lead the viewer through the whole image. Since there are lots of different flowers, I would recommend practicing macro photography too. Of course, do not forget to take a look in different directions, because you can use the stream as a leading line in different environments. Near the car road, you can find this car. I didn't find any interesting reflections, but maybe you will be able to create something more interesting. If you have a telephoto lens, it would be a good idea to go away from the monument and take a photo from some distance, so the background would be closer to the subject in your photos. Also, on your way back to Gudauri, you can use wide-angle lens to show the scale of the landscape. If you are still watching this video, please leave your comment about what you would improve in the video. Maybe it will help me to make it more interesting next time. Since the monument is located on the edge, you can find interesting compositions that will show the surroundings. Pay attention to the animals around. There you can find sheep, horses and goats. This spot is also a great place to take photo of paragliders. If you have a drone, then there are several more possible compositions for you. You can use the road as a leading line to the monument or mountains. Also, you can get top-down view over the monument. Or you can even try to chase the paragliders. But do not come close, it's better to use telephoto lens if your drone has one. I end up with this video and I would recommend you to watch this video next. It's my detailed guide to Gudauri that describes everything in more detail.